When it comes to safety while on the road, a dash cam is one of the most important tools you can have. Not only will it provide security in the event of an accident, but it can also help protect you from fraudulent claims and other legal issues. And you can record your driving videos as well. With so many different models on the market, it can be difficult to determine which one is right for you. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best dash cams available and discuss what makes them stand out from the competition. I'll also leave the links to discussed cameras in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with Garmin Dashcam 67W, a high-quality dash cam that does the job without being complicated to install and use. This Garmin Dashcam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, our previous favorite model, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alert you to parking lot pranks. It looks like the 66W is still on sale for now, so it's a cheaper alternative that shares this dashcam's key specs. The Garmin Dashcam 67W truly excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use with a good set of useful features and which records top quality video. It's not the cheapest, but it is a top-notch dashcam that does everything without being needlessly complicated. Even the mounting system is super simple. It's a must-buy and deserves the no one spot in this guide. At number 2, it's Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. This tiny voice-controlled dashcam can be paired with up to 4 more. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 might just be the smallest dashcam on the market today. Roughly the size of a car key fob, the camera records in 1080p Full HD resolution with HDR, is easy to set up, has an equally compact windscreen mount, and even features a voice control system. It's the perfect compact dashcam. If you want high-quality Full HD video with HDR from an incredibly compact design, you really should look no further. The voice controls are also very good. The mount is small and simple to use, and you can even pair up to 4 of these cameras together for synchronized recording right around your vehicle. At number 3, it's Thinkware U1000. A powerful 4K dashcam with an optional rear camera, but you'll need professional installation. If you're looking for an all-singing, all-dancing dashcam that does everything, but also lacks a screen to distract you while driving, this is it. The Thinkware U1000 shoots in sharp 4K video, albeit with the associated huge file sizes, through a wide 150-degree lens. There's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, which is used to serve up speed camera alerts and add location and speed data to all of your recordings. An optional rear camera can also be purchased and plugged into the main unit, which shoots in 2K resolution at 30 frames per second for sharp footage of what's going on behind you. Enhanced night vision and wide dynamic range help to produce high-quality video during the day and night. We admit this is an expensive option, and it has to be hardwired into your vehicle. But if it's a feature-packed, high-quality dashcam you want, this is it. At number 4, it's Nextbase 622GW, a 4K dashcam that can use 3 words locations. This is the big brother of the Nextbase 522GW below, and is the best choice if you want a 4K dashcam without the need to have the dashboard device hardwired into your vehicle. The step up in video quality is noticeable, and there is the added feature of support for 3 words opens in New Tab, the ingenious global system that you can use to give your precise location to first responders by just giving them 3 words, and is a proven lifesaver. With an easy-to-use app that connects your smartphone to the 622GW over its own Wi-Fi network, you can see all your clips with ease and download those you want to save or review. At number 5, it's Nextbase 522GW. Smart dashcam with Alexa, emergency SOS calling, GPS, and Wi-Fi. The Nextbase 522GW is a great dashcam for those who want a whole suite of features, including Alexa, GPS, and emergency SOS, but who are also on a budget. The 522GW shoots 2K resolution 1440p at 30 frames per second or regular 1080p Full HD at 60 FPS. It also features a 140-degree viewing angle, integrated GPS for accurate location, direction, and speed data, and even Amazon Alexa. This means that using your smartphone's internet connection, the 522GW works just like an Alexa smart speaker at home, enabling you to play music, hear news headlines, get directions, and even control your smart home gadgets while on the road. Emergency SOS can sense a collision and then, if the driver doesn't respond to a prompt, will alert the local emergency services and share your location, potentially saving lives. At number 6, it's ThinkWear F200 Pro. A good entry-level dash cam, though it lacks a screen so you control it from your phone. In this phone-centric world, many dash cams are opting to get rid of the screen entirely. The ThinkWear F200 Pro is one such camera, requiring you to hook up your phone via Wi-Fi and the app to monitor what's going on in real time. If you think you'll miss an integrated display, then this isn't one for you. But otherwise, the F200 Pro is decent value, taking nice-looking full HD video with a wide color gamut. It also has some driver assist features, such as lane drift alerts and slow-speed front collision warnings. An integrated supercapacitor also holds a little charge in order to keep the cam going for a few seconds in the event of sudden power interruption. It can be purchased solo or with an optional rear unit. At number 7, it's Nexar Beam. Simple setup dashcam that you control with your smartphone, though not Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. If you're looking for a quick, easy-to-use, and simple dashcam, then the Nexar Beam GPS is a fantastic option. It's super easy and intuitive to set up and works extremely well with the connected smartphone app. The ability to see your full drives and create clips from them within the easy-to-use app is also fantastic and great for quickly finding exactly what you need. There is no built-in screen on the dashcam itself, but because of this, it is small and discreet on your windshield. For those who use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly, however, it's a shame that you can't use them both together. You can still use the camera, but without the added functionality that the phone brings, so for that reason, it's not recommended for that type of user. And with that, we come to the end of our review. I hope among these 7 best options you'll find a perfect one for yourself.